The 2011 Edge thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, airbags, power steering, automatic transmission, cruise control, FWD, power door locks, passenger airbag, compass, power windows, trip computer, tachometer, heads-up display, rear wiper, power heated outside mirrors, privacy glass, rear spoiler. This vehicle is CARFAX certified one owner and qualifies for CARFAX buyback guarantee. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.